talked to him about it in the back, and I mean, you know, he said that it's really risky business trying to meet his dad.
I'm sure there's restraining orders involved somewhere around there.
Something like that, I'm sure. I mean, you know, he tried to get in, but he said it was mission impossible.
I'm sure it would be. He's made a lot of movies, right? Tom Cruise?
He has.
He's an actor.
I mean,
the following contest is 7-1 fall. Introducing first, from San Francisco, California, Jordan Cruze. And his opponent, from Hannibal, Virginia, Von Miller.
Von Miller, saw him a couple of weeks back in his debut.
So you trained with Dr. Tom, huh?
Trained with Dr. Tom Pritchard. I mean, already talking some smack between both opponents. Oh, buddy. He doesn't like that one at all.
Neither does RT3.
But I was very impressed with his first match, you know, against RT3, because, you know, you got him going against one of the biggest people in our business.
And he had a good outing at the Cup.
Yeah, and that strap match was ridiculous.
Oh, man. They'll be talking about that for years.
They will. And, of course, RT3 here, not here tonight, but we'll be back soon, and we are ready to see him. The fans are really getting on Jordan Cruze.
Well, he hasn't made friends since he's been here. I mean, he's kind of like not really endeared himself to the fans here.
Well, he's very cocky, very arrogant, and that doesn't get very far in our locker room.
No.
Because there are a lot of big personalities back there. There's a lot of big egos, and you're not going to get very far in making friends back there with a huge ego the way that this man has.
Let's just say he clashed with the talent would be an understatement.
Up. Here they go. Von Milla taking him down. Jumping back around for that front face lock.
Yeah, there you go. Well, he's definitely taking Cruze off of his plan. You know, he likes to really kind of be, well, he's right back in charge.
Oh, is he biting him?
That's a little nasty, wasn't it?
Just a tad bit. Up. The fans really giving it to Jordan Cruze here. I think that's a rematch that I'd like to see.
I think it's a rematch you will see here very soon.
Especially if he keeps doing stuff like that right there.
Yeah.
Oh, my God.
What a drop kick. Look who's in
Von
control.
Milla.
Von Milla. Yeah. Look who's in
Von
control.
Milla.
Von Milla. Yeah.
Got that arm locked in. Referee Willie making him break the count.
All right, the bread basket.
Jordan Cruze coming right back. You got to wonder if Willie's going to actually count this match correctly this time.
I know he's been reprimanded. He has been given the right act. He's been told he has one chance. So we shall see.
I still don't see how we're keeping him out here, but it is what it is.
It's something about tenure. He's been here. It's like
I mean, do you think it's just Sean Carson?
It might be,
Because he seems to be counting.
Yeah, he's doing great right now.
He seems to be counting fine right now. Oh, wow.
Well, let's see here. Let's see what kind of count Willie does here.
That was an okay count.
Yeah, normal.
I mean, that was a just fine count.
Yeah, see?
And it seems like any time that it's anybody but Sean Carson, which they've been fighting online. They're always on Facebook fighting back and forth about something, mainly about, Willie just being biased against him. And
he can't be that in a professional position. You know that?
He can't. And oh, my God, what a clothesline.
Yeah.
Holy crap. Fans like that one.
Yeah.
Picking up Von Milla. Oh, running power slam. Shades of the British Bulldog right there.
Which was one of my favorite wrestlers growing up as a young man.
Absolutely. One of my favorite tag teams when I was growing up.
Definitely. The Rock and Roll
Dynamite
Express
Kid
went against them one time. Did you know that?
Did they?
Yep, you can check it out. It's on YouTube. I asked Ricky about it.
I'd like to see that match.
He said it was one of the coldest matches he'd ever been in.
Oh, yeah?
You remember the building was cold.
Oh.
Yeah. That's all he told me. I was like, okay. Hell, you don't remember anything else? That's funny. Bam!
Oh, my God. Big enziguri.
Attitude adjustment.
By Von Milla.
Whoa.
Almost with the 3
right
count.
There. Now, don't get into that with the referee.
Oh, buddy.
Pay attention to your job. Do what you need to do.
This is not the referee to do that.
No.
But I'm not sure if it's the talk that they had with him back in the back.
It's a lot to do with that.
Or if it really just has to do with Sean Carson. Oh, Von Milla with a roll-up. Oh, there it was. Von Milla.
Winner, Von Milla.
Wow.
Oh, that's impressive.
That is an impressive win by the upstart, Von Milla. And again, Jordan Cruze not being able to go meet his daddy tonight.
One
Folks,
step
we'll
away.
be right back.